What's up, everyone? So I screwed up and accidentally tapped this tail light, and now I'm going to replace it. I'm going to walk you through the process of changing a tail light on a travel trailer. Stick around. First thing is first, I want to make sure that I have the battery and the power disconnected from this camper. This one doesn't even have a battery on it, so I know I'm good there. But right here is my disconnect switch, so I want to make sure the notch is turned over to the red, which means that I'm turned off. All right, next, I've assessed the situation. I know I need my screwdriver, some tape, some connectors, the tail light assembly, and a wrench to tighten the connectors. Now I'm just going to go through and switch this out. Here's the tail light. It comes with 3 wires on the back. This one's going to be our ground wire. This is our power wire. The red is going to be power. And the white is going to be our tail lights. Again, black ground, red power, white for tail lights. There are 2 screws in the tail light that we're undoing right now. After we take out the 2 screws, we pop off that tail light assembly, get that tar putty off, go through and tear off the tar putty and all the excess silicone and tail light that's still attached. Okay. Get that all cleaned up, get the old light off.
Hey stranger, how you doing?
All right, now we have the butt connectors down here. Pop those off. I just disconnected all the butt connectors from this and pulled off the old one. At this stage, I'm connecting all these. I made sure to pay attention to the wiring when I disassembled this so I could reassemble it the same way, which is where I'm at now. And then I'm going to go grab butt connectors, new ones, and connect all these into the butt connectors. Make sure everything's secure. Okay, now those are all connected. Get this and twist it to tighten it. All right, now to go get some butt connectors. Let's give you a quick update. When I pulled all this apart, I realized that there was no way I was going to do it clean. I went to get butt connectors. I had one of the guys come out. And if this was my personal camper, it'd be one thing, but this is for sale on the lot. So I wanted to do it the proper way. Therefore, we got one of the guys from out back, brought him out. We changed up to different butt connectors, and he basically put on the shrink seal so we can burn it and then shrink, or you heat it up so it shrinks and connects right to it. And then we put the anti-corrosion cream on there so it doesn't corrode. Now we're going through and tightening it all up and just making it look good, double checking everything. And that's where we're at now. Here is what that heat shrink tubing looks like. Also the heat gun to heat that up. All right, this whole area has been cleaned. We wiped off all the old tape and whatever that stuff's called.
Tar putty.
We wiped off all the old tar putty and all the silicone around the outside. Now we're just sticking the new lens on. We'll get the screws in there, and then we'll come back around and silicone the outside and seal it up, and then we'll be done. I grabbed my screwdriver and I'm tightening up the 2 screws to put that taillight lens back on. Perfect, now that's on. Beautiful. Now we just need to seal the outside and we're done. Well, that's what happens when you work at an RV dealership. They wouldn't even let me do it. I went in, grabbed the guys, showed them the tools I was using, and obviously I wasn't using the right tools because they came out and did it the right way. Showed me some ideas, showed me some pointers. Now I know what to do next time. But what we did is we used some clear sealant around the whole outside and caulked the outside corner and then we just let it sit for a few hours. With this kind of 80-degree weather today, almost record highs today, it's definitely drying fast. But now we have both lights, and it looks better than what it did because the other one has dusty caulk. So it's a little dirty. No, I did not say dirty caulk. Oh. There. I hope you liked the video. I hope that helps you guys out next time that you're trying to repair one of these yourself. Thanks for watching. Do me a huge favor, smash that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and come and join my community on Patreon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Well, that's what happens